Yo, Parry, I feel grocery this. Yeah. See it there? Sugar, bully beef bread. Yeah. Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah. That means when time ready to score it.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah. At the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know? Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food. So, Paris, it's another morning, it's another day, and we are in St. Mary. Hello, and the girls, them sugar.
Yeah, greetings to all of the girls, them, and all of the viewers, them, who are going and respect Joe.
Yeah.
Yeah, because St. Mary there.
Yeah, I want to get a nice shower yesterday, Alan.
About, you know?
Yeah.
We have mango, breadfruit are coming, everything are coming right, you know?
Yeah, the rain come and everything are full up and look nice. Uncle Murphy, what you doing in darkness over there, sir?
I observe, you know.
Ah, Tio.
Look up yourself, viewers.
Yeah. Yeah, that they but that they somewhere I do look work. That I do look upwards and knock up. Yeah. That is here to Paris, but him there one next location a bus a little road. So no it go? Right. Yeah, so. Yeah. From me leave here Independence Day, me never come back. I first me I come back. I dad alone come. Hey, all of that so.
So a whole heap of blessing and a whole heap of greetings to the people them every time.
Yeah, alright. So we are catching our next clip power. We don't make us see where we are going with the idea. We have to do what we have to do before rain. Yeah, rain come early. But we give God thanks. Yeah, so we'll catch you.
Thanks, you know.
Yeah, our next clip. You sure? Yeah, man. I get no mango in my cup here, you know.
I know some mango.
I know you underneath the breadfruit should hear it. Here it is. Pressure them a come. You ready for your answer now? Put on your shirt. Don't you bowl or someone and say you're ready for anything and you know what?
No, man. That's not what I say me naked.
You don't want to see any... Me not wrong you. So she said no. Where was the lady that you had the last birthday? A lady is something that you have and keep forever. Where was the lady that you had the last birthday that you're asking for a lady this birthday? Answer to the best of your ability.
Well, one never work out, so.
Yeah, try again.
I try again.
Alright.
So we have to just
expand your wings.
Yeah.
Alright. That's a fair talk, it didn't work out. You try, you sure you try enough. And it never work out.
If I try and fail, I try again.
Alright, good sir.
Yeah, man.
So we are going to look mango now.
Alright, no problem.
Alright. Let me say yeah, Parry. Alan say hi to the people again.
Yes, hi to the people.
Yeah, we in one building and we not showing everything. We don't know it go.
Yeah.
So me say yeah now, Alan, you go pick one fall.
Yeah, man, one fall me I pick, you know.
Alright, Parry. So first time now, when we are look pick the dark country, we go put up zinc pan out the door and sinting and hood and bamboo for blaze fire for water for boil up cold. Alan have kettle pan hot plate, hot water. If you go pick white fall. You don't tell me how that one they go. Alan, what you say? A step you step up in a life for hour.
So if we work with the program, you know, so.
Oh, so you say the new program this?
And the new program this.
Alright, Parry, this is the new program. Yeah. Alan is boiling up water in a kettle and all of that pan hot plate and him is going to pick a white fall. Judgment. Yeah. Sitting there. Hey, why a fence? The cow? Hey, me see, but the cow them have broke them foot. Yeah, man. So Parry me down our next district here, down our Newport district. Where that church name again died? Near Earmount United, yeah. Down by the corner shop district. That over the house there do some work. That I work a country, I work a town. Dad! What go on? You know the people them? You know the people them?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, come in that video light.
I drink a Pepsi.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Dada drink a Pepsi, Dada chill. Yeah.
When I go?
We are going to corner shop, we soon come.
Alright.
But Parry from we come here, we can't find curry. People ain't send us the curry from yesterday.
Everything look good?
Well, the whole of the back, the cut way.
Run a back.
Eh.
Back cut down.
But not bad, them channel the water somewhere, man. When you soon come?
Eh?
You soon come?
Not yet.
Alright, we are going to lift you up here, yeah? Alright. We are going to corner shop. Yo, that broke out. I tell you, Parry, you no comment and tell me. Tell us that I come back a country, can't live for the thing, Joe. Walk up at the corner shop, Uncle Murphy.
Back up on the corner shop.
Yeah, and we have that around the back with the dialogue people. Let's say I man to the people. What you mean who you feel here?
I to the people.
I don't run out of care back.
Yeah, man.
Danny! What go on there?
Oh, come.
Give me! Uncle Murphy, you know, see me come and I have to go to Dad.
Eh?
We are going to the corner shop. We are going up in the corner shop. This is where curry come. Yeah.
Is it?
Boy. Me I go up one steep step here, Parry. Lord, and the body old and the knee them with the arthritis. Me now put it on your auntie Nanny. Good morning.
Good morning.
Them pitney say you say X. How much them we?
I will wait for them together. 15.
15.
Yeah.
How much a pound?
220.
Oh, here he is, here he is.
No, yes, you told me to buy them. They want the straight here. So me see and I come buy them. Don't scare them. So.
Oh, so 3.
Yeah.
I'm give you 1 3. Alright. Oh, you have in a shop here, Nanny?
No.
You want
No, me not sit down. Me and show people them. I will ban and go in a district here together. I curry talk, tell them about your corner shop, you know.
Okay.
So we down a Nanny corner shop down a Newport district. And all in the comment section, all the Nanny family them wanna big up on yourself and comment. And all of that. Nanny give me some bread.
Some like how much baby?
Like 2 how much one I bread, Nanny?
2.
You give me like 3. For Alan alone we eat 3.
Give me some, Nanny, give me some bread. Nanny,
Yeah, give me some bread. We come a corner shop. Now come out and shop now, yeah, buy.
Huh?
Yo, Nanny, you give me whole wheat bread. Give me whole wheat. Alan we eat it. Whole wheat or not her. And me I buy Parry. Yeah, we are put it in up a shop there. When Nanny have up there. Nanny give me 1 corned beef. And what kind of mackerel them there? Give me some of the dirty girl them.
Which one they want?
Give me 2 dirty girl.
So you don't take the big one and done inside.
No, we don't want to. Oh, and the dirty girl we want to mix up with the bread.
Yeah,
Show them, give me dirty girl, let me show them. And them know them, you know. Jamaica people are watching. Dirty girl right here, straight up. Live and direct, dirty girl. Yeah. Dirty girl and whole heap of bird pepper and bread. Yeah, Nanny have to check. Yo, Parry, I feel grocery this. Yeah. See it there? Sugar. Bully beef bread, yeah, good old whites, yeah, a country grocery all this, see the Uncle Murphy, bread, milk, dragon, boom, mackerel, rum, yeah, bread, bully beef, that and that, country grocery all, please comment and tell me, and I like that, yo, I like how my country grocery all look good. Where you say, Auntie Nanny? You know the funny man, it's a shot. Comment and tell me, Uncle Murphy a pack up. Good man that, yeah. Country with them, we'll come grocery shopping. Not grocery, no, but grocery. And that about getting them, test them there. Well, look, get a Parry. Dog, what's your... That's some big one right there, so. Right that bunch there, yeah. No man, see, yeah. If that make everyone I give them drop off a limb. Yeah, come down. Come in at this. Da. Yeah, on the tree, Guinea. Barry, look where that do. Yo, da. What call them big Parry? Go to get them big. What do I see?
Come on.
Them want 2 more another week. Them nobody know. Uncle Murphy.
Them can eat.
Call them big, Barry.
Yeah.
Show them, they must see them. I leave them, they must see.
You have to pick up and leave them.
Yeah, when we go up, yeah. Uncle Murphy, they will give them Barry. Look how them big.
Them big.
You don't see them in town, Uncle Murphy. No size guinea like them in town.
The rest is only comedian.
And them not bad, them ready. Them ready.
It's only comedian.
There's also one when they have a town and sell. If them ever catch all them here, you know, wow. Yeah, with that country. Nice.
Yeah.
Why, Barry, I don't know if you can see the road, but the road stay bad. We come back from the corner shop. But guess what, no matter what, my little district them here, I can't forget them. I come and I have to go spend a little change with my little schoolmate them with me and them go school together. You know, don't know it go? And the road be T-truck, yeah. Uncle Murphy they pan it. I go back up a yard. Banana over this and see one house over there, so I must see Calvin house that. You can't see it, I don't know. See all the banana down on the road there. Banana for turn you over. I tell look a breadfruit tree there, Parry, look. Uncle Murphy will land them, I show them a look a breadfruit tree. So look at a little breadfruit tree, yeah. One little breadfruit tree supposed to have on so much brush hair, you look. You see it? Go brush hair. It will go tear down when they come bigger. Yeah. Over the train line over this about you can't see it from here, so.
Oh.
Over the side train line, you know, Uncle Murphy. Yeah, man, why train used to run, man? Yeah, because through them, everything just put up over there, just done with land. Of train line, that man, that was our means of transportation, as I did say before. Back in the days when I was a little girl. All them bush the way I look through your chat, you know, you go up carry over the train line.
One time, maybe take a train to Portland.
If you take a train to Portland, you pass, yes, man.
That means because I want to pass.
Yeah, you have to. Once a Portland you go, it have to. This is the one. Remember I said the railroad track, you know, you have no other ways. Yeah. When you reach up something there, you know, branch up, a bag walk, Ghana Alcan, and then you come here, so. Or whatever. Yeah, man, if you go to Portland, you pass, yes, so, man. Pear bush, I feel me look a bush this, me I go back up a yard. And all of that, me I go and look something up a yard, but you know, don't know. When me ready, me put it on the camera. You see how the road stay, I don't know where I go on. On corner, we are go around, yeah. Look, the sun I go on, probably, but the rain might come down later on. Truck we are drive through, that Uncle Murphy, if you endure, we do it. And go up here. Wow, one van, Uncle Murphy. Now then look a 4-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Can yam up the road.
Tell you.
Yeah. And all of that, them bamboo they are going bad, me nah. Yeah. Pure bamboo. Country we say, and they had some rain yesterday. I want to go branch off and look some plants, you know. Set some plants before me leave here today. My Uncle Murphy, I go up, me show you that they don't have a corner shop, I do a little rose. You know, don't know it, go we have to look it anyway there. No, so Uncle Murphy, we are suffer right, you know. Country life versus town life, but honestly, comment which one you prefer. I do prefer the country life. It's more relaxing. Good breadfruit tree, but me say when me don't need breadfruit this area, then supposed to. Hey, it's me I go up off my district and I want to know it, you know. About shoe house there. About shoe district, that. See there, you see about shoe house? Yeah, see there? Yeah. Right up on my gear, me I go up on my players. Yeah, away this, you know. Toot the hand, plumber. Uncle Murphy. Yeah.
Big up.
Catch you, Parry. Oh. See the curry, you know, people. When I come and ask the curry, I can't see curry. Them say curry gone and peeps them.
There, man, but there in a place here, we have to water until we have to start to keep low, you know.
Curry say rain fall up here, it look bad.
X amount of water, excess amount
yesterday.
of water. Yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So, we still give thanks because we need it.
Yes, we need it.
Yeah.
And if we are good, couple years well, we never see so much water fall up.
And me come with it blessing, man.
Yes, yes.
Blessing every time.
More strength.
A blessing me work with. Bar me the back of the camera, I work the guinea, let me know. Although me not guinea smart, I forget another bungle from Nanny.
Yep, nice, man.
Yeah, man, if I'm fi buy.
Nice, man.
Yeah, so curry. We are going there so you know, because beer hungry around.
Man.
Beer hungry.
Man.
No one sweet, brother. Sweet.
See it a record? You see the red something there? No, see it a record. Turn it to me.
Go buy pampers, really, you know.
Oh. And there we are belly shell again. Oh, sure. Yo. I lime them here in a party. Look how them big and nice. Alan, I want to go and for you, yeah, cuz. Take out that off of your hand, Alan. I don't want that in my video. Yo, a bow shoe. And them your name. Yo. Here is. Curry all this. Cause yo, I not go back to town tonight, you know. I hope you me I hope you me a living.
Original number them.
I don't want none of the food on I look but put on the camera right now.
First time original number.
Me say when me smell Jesus. Number 11 Paris.
Number first time
old time original.
Number 11, you see how them
Number
pretty?
11 mango. Want some water.
Look
and look here. I want a chair. Look here, I'm going to bread and bully beef. Look at this. Number. When me I eat, me I come back, make me I want to eat. Must say country nice. What we say? Country nice. Yeah, so nice. Thank God for all people them. Sure. Yeah, so nice. Tell them, Curry.
We are some man up a country ever nice.
Big up mama. Mama spirit. We big up mother spirit as she make this happen. Number mango. Yo, I'm not go back and no city.
Them place we run up and down.
Like a bit.
Yeah, red button.
Alright.
If anywhere me not them, I'm sorry for them, you know. Eat a look for you, worm there. Scooby!
It's a gateway.
Number man. I want nice mango, you know. Scooby, I want to you. The people might cuss me, Alan. The people might cuss me, say, yeah, street Scooby bad. I feel say Scooby get elderly, you know, feel so?
Long time postman.
I don't give Scooby piece of bread. Me I go and feed my face in a party. Me have 2, 3, 5 left down in there and this are 6. Make sure you come before the number, them just start right. I'm late this year. We want the COVID ease up. Cause look here. Country nice. Country I get nice and nice. I don't know if the country turn up, I wait for. Yeah, I know. We are wait for Rona. Yeah. And she go on away at Jamaica where we are pray. And when everything over, I saw now come here, so come sit down. Be a things. Be a something. Up at Debbie Debs. Next clip. Then me I go down. Catch you. Yeah. This is Curry, heal them up. This is the new bathroom kitchen.
Blessing love, man.
Yeah. When we show them what Curry. Curry I cook. Yo, my love country is a disgrace.
I want to look up fire, you know?
Yeah, kitchen, man. Bathroom this. Bathroom, kitchen. Yeah.
But the bathroom already done yet, you know?
No, not already done. Right. Yo, Curry, I love that. Yeah, look at mackerel, look at that girl.
Yeah.
I did go do look at grocery. I go buy look at grocery for Nanny, you know, I show them.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's how they pan.
Yeah.
See, Uncle Murphy, I mix dragon and milk for me, so that simple means say, it look like something I go on. Man, Uncle Murphy, I mix dragon and milk for me. So tell me what I go on in the comment section, Parry. Why is not that mixing it? Tell me.
That's on the other side.
I am so nice.
So I'm taking charge today. Hey,
comment section, turn up. Alan, what you have to say about this? Now that Uncle Murphy I mix my dragon and milk, what I go on? Yeah.
I'm going to find out what's going on.
Oh, yeah. Next clip, Parry. My love country nice. Alright. Scooby, come out of the road. Because nobody not cater for everybody about you. I don't know why. Yeah. Dragon and milk and mix round this so curry at top bully beef. I don't know what I want, you know. Yeah. But listen, I saw the thing said and all of that. I will feel nice, I feel good. Humble as it may be, We got some people saying, oh, I don't want anything from right there to eat. But look here, we have to stay up and cook it and cut straight. The last time somebody commented that they didn't want anything from us, that we're blending and we put the thing on the floor. It brought that Aline night, thanks to Aline night, she saw the need for another blender. So out of that, negativity came a positivity. So look here, the love, you can't hear the love in the background. The love is here and everything, and that I want to know. And look here, remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, Paris. This is what you're looking at. Sometime to come, it's going to be a different place. So that clip here, we are going to have a piece of clip here to show you what was happening here. And when it is happening at another time, we're going to show. We have this as the before and then we'll show you the after. But for now, we're not wet. So we in a side where we are doing a few place, a few little pot, a few bully beef. Comment. I just want to thank all of you who accepts us for who we are. And don't think that when you come here, this is how we are going to cook for you. What is happening here? We are making provisions. We are doing the rough work, putting the rough work, that when you come here, the smoothness will be here. Right, Jacor?
Exactly.
Is the roughness right now?
And you will see the smoothness.
Yeah, so you will see the smoothness. You'll get to enjoy the smoothness when you come here. Yeah. Bully beef in a pot.
In spite of anything, you just start to finish.
Yeah, bully beef a pot, all of that. Yeah. Thanks for loving us for who we are. Next clip. Alan, you say you tell the ladies them say you're not slow.
I'm not slow for nothing. I can't do anything.
Alright. Movements, make we see how the movements go, Alan. Movements all. We still not impressed yet, you know, you have to go on. Yes, Alan, we say movements round here, we want some movements. Make we see what go on. Corey, anything look like it go on there?
Look like him a shuffle up.
Corey say him look like him a shuffle up. Parry, you don't tell me. And the fastest you ever see Alan move. All where you say him shuffle up, Corey? Him not really dead yet.
Yeah, no,
but him a shuffle up. Alan, tell the people if he a shuffle up or what? I hear a thing that they do. At you. Say go, Corey.
Yeah, but you meet your married net with that.
But two. Wait say, you bet man next week. Yo, that's the man come here next week, you know, I've seen that your suit. No, go so.
Yeah, man. You know one nylon suit down there, man.
Nylon?
Well, shy.
No, Corey my best in a nylon.
One of them jenks.
Oh, Ara clocks.
You know the gentleman with the pointed point.
Oh, yo.
Money man clock.
So, I like that nylon suit there.
You said just step it. Yeah.
Me feel so cause Alan boss it and from Alan boss it so it go.
True, man.
Alan, no, one thing with Alan no talk nothing when I go so him want the lie. Alan, you want the lie, you don't tell him when go so. I don't understand how Alan him always have a chain and something there. You never understand it?
The money man.
Eh? She say she I go deal with them thing next week, a different thing. Yeah. I want to see Harris there in I borrow. Uncle Murphy belly. Always in I. Corey's a flat belly man, everybody know that.
Me no care belly, you know.
Yeah, no.
Me no care belly because look now, you see the belly them. The belly there have some pose a road motor and then two bossy are belly. Me can't manage it.
Corey and Dad are a flat belly man. Yeah. Bravo, them a bravo.
Bravo. What's the work again, man? Yo!
So, Parry, we there St.Mary, we still there. Alan say him have something to say to all the ladies in waiting.
Yeah.
And all of that. Yeah. Alan speak.
So, I want the ladies them to know, say, I am no fashion dread. I am a raga dread. See, just like the old time dread them, and the fashion thing, that's why I shape up and them things that just make me hair grow.
So we say raga is straight through.
Yeah, raga is straight.
So that means to say, yeah, make the ladies them know, say if them love the raga all over. You know, if you say where, when and how.
Yeah.
So if them love the raga-ness.
Yeah, so I mean name raga.
Blow out, are you near raga, Alan?
Yeah.
Alright, Corey. Corey, tell them, cause tell them where them a look for Corey, cause them they depend you too, you know, brother. Tell them, say where you have to tell them.
At the second raga rasta this too, you know. Straight raga. From rugger to struggle.
Yeah.
You see what I say?
So no fashion for you
No
neither?
fashion thing, nothing.
Okay.
Don't join the fashion thing.
Them want to know the status of your life. Are you married? Are you single? Are you disengaged?
Well, I am a single man, you know.
Alright.
I am a single Rasta man.
Okay.
Yeah, so anyone I know, anytime.
Yeah.
I am free to go.
Yeah, wait for the COVID.
Just wait for the COVID to cool off and done with.
And at the same time, yeah, make any preparations for welcome anybody?
Well, we are going to boil up juice, them thing and thing and thing. And when we come to Jamaica, we are dealing with all some peanut porridge and some natural juice, some, you know what I mean? Call when they call them the
Janga soup.
Janga soup. With a bird in it.
Oh, so you would feel it down something?
If you need a twin, you can check Rasta.
Ooh, whoa, ooh, no. Uncle Earies.
Yes, man. There, man.
You're not dread?
No, man. I'm a Rasta, man.
Oh. Well, you're in a crew too?
Yeah, man. Up and running, man.
Alright, so. You make provision with the lady for the ladies them when them come?
Yeah, man. Anytime, man.
Alright. Because remember we said the lady said she has said this, that and that, but you did declare yourself and say it never work out. So if it not work out, you have to try again?
Yeah, man. Have to.
Yeah. Alright. That you know, hear it, you know. And the man them says so now me. See?
Yeah, and the ragga them is a lover, you know.
Woo!
We know how to make love.
Whoa!
Girls them feel nice. So.
Yes, sir.
There not have to be no problem when you come.
Mm.
You're all right.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Straight loving, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. You done?
Yeah, man. To the max.
Yeah. Next clip, Parry. Next clip. So yes, Parry, we are going to leave St. Mary again. So all and the girls them sugar. Yeah, Corey the girls them raga.
Same way. Same way.
So you just tell the people them bye.
Yeah, man, have a peaceful night and day and give thanks for everything we're going, you know? Give thanks to my auntie and everything. And we're glad for we're going today. So I want love see you, me.
Alan?
Yeah. Blessed love to everybody, you know?
Alright, Raga Alan.
Respect and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, until we meet again.
Alright.
Yeah.
Quick.
Yeah.
They for them.
You blow out. Uncle Murphy, you're there for them too?
Blessed, of course.
Bowshoe, you're there for them to show? So when COVID ready, Bowshoe, yeah. So you say you're ready for them, Alan? With the KFC cricket time. We say Raga Alan there for them?
There for them, ready for them.
Alright. Alright. Yeah, wanna hear it, Parry. I them that. I'm a tool can never them that. I'm a little pet them. Alright? Got you. And before we end, you know that is my outro. Never let the evil around you. Paris, gentlemen here, never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Anywhere you are, whatever you are doing, try to steer on top of things. Sure, so much evil are around us. Can't make it take control away. Yeah. See?
True.
Yeah.
That's it.